SC with Ministry of Culture, Islamic Guidance, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Science and Technology, National Library of Iran, Embassy of India, Tehran, Iran. I hereby announce the official publication of the book Sahel with the Shabak number 97800431419 LCC PR National Book ID 733319. Asher Sani has a poet, film producer, and president of Monarch International Company, was born in Lahore, Punjab in 1937. He graduated in economy from Stephen College, Delhi. This is the second book of him, who published in Iran. His first book is Freud's Salad. He also writes Urdu language. I hope that in the wake of the good reception of the Iranians from this collection, we will see the other books by these contemporary Indian poets.